In the previous lesson, we used the DevTools console to code. Now, let's switch to something more convenient. We will still work in the browser, but let's explore more tools that DevTools have to offer. Code snippets. To test out code snippets, open a new browser window and press F12. Now, head to the Sources tab at the top of the screen. In the panel on the left, there is a workspace feature with a page option chosen by default, showing the code from the current page. Click on the arrows next to the workspace and choose Snippets. Now, we can add new snippets. This gives us built-in code editor in our browser, which is more convenient than using the console. Let's write a program that prints a name to the console. Let name equals Jane and then console log name. To run this block of code, press Ctrl-Enter. You will see the name printed in the console below. Another useful feature is available in the panel on the right. There is a section titled Watch. Instead of constantly writing console log to check the result of our code, we can use watch to observe the value of chosen variables. So let's add name variable to watch. Now we can see the current value of the variable name in the panel on the right. If we modify name like so, name equals Alice, and run the program again, the value will be updated in the panel on the right after clicking the refresh button. With this knowledge, we can move on to next lessons.